நார்டிக் மேட் பாத்ரூம் அக்சசரிஸ் செட் உங்கள் சாலண்டில்ஸ் இல் வெறும் ரூபாய் 4239 இல் மட்டுமே. லிங்க் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்ல இருக்கு.
Amazon Specials, OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G with immersive cinematic experience with 6.72 FHD plus display starting only at INR 19,999. Terms and condition apply. Offer link is in the description.
One way to make money with URL shortening is to use a service that pays you according to how many clicks or impressions your shortened URLs get. Before rerouting consumers to the original location, these providers typically show advertisements to them. These are the general actions that you can take. Register for a shortening service for URLs. Numerous URL shortening providers come with alternatives for making money. Bitly, Adfly, Short.xt, and others are a few examples. Make sure to register for an account on the selected service's website. Shorten your links. Using the service's features, you can begin shortening your long URLs as soon as you join up. You can share the abbreviated link that you receive from the URL shortening provider. Distribute your abbreviated links via social media, blogs, forums, and other online communities, or any other platform where you may attract readers. Earn revenue. Prior to being sent to the original website, users who click on your shortened links typically see advertisements. Depending on how many hits or impressions your links receive, you get paid. Track link performance. The majority of URL shortening services offer analytics tools that let you keep tabs on things like click-through rate and click-through location, according to the terms and conditions. Make sure you adhere to the rules and regulations set forth by the URL shortening provider you are utilizing. Should you violate these rules, your account can be suspended. Remember that link shortening services often yield minimal revenue, and your audience's size, region, and content quality are just a few of the variables that can affect your performance. In addition, some users of link shortening services could find the advertisements they show to be bothersome, which makes them less likely to click on the links. When using link shortening, be open and honest about it, and make sure your audience is aware that they will be redirected via a third-party page. Make sure any link shortening service is reliable and trustworthy by carefully reading through their terms of service, payment options, and user reviews before using them. I have chosen a link shortener, but I can't justify whether it is best or not. It's your opinion. Its name is Share Us, a safe usage, non-virus, and malicious ads. Its interface is very easy and suitable. In simple word, it's environmental friendly, daily payout with 50 cent or Resnals 50 minimum withdrawal to your direct bank account or UPI for Indian users. It pays for each ad impressions. Even though any person didn't reach destination link, it pays 0.01 for every ad seen by users. Unlimited IP counts are also available. You can sell monetized links with fixed price in INR or USD. Publishers have true and transparent real-time dashboard like link clicks, link opened, number of times reached destination links, success rate, ad impressions, ad CPM, and finally, ad revenue earned by you. Clickers may pay and directly go the destination link, nor they need to watch ads to reach destination link. Publishers can set the number of pages that should be shown to the clickers. The more pages, the more ads they view, the more CPM and earnings you will get. You also don't want to manually request them. They will automatically pay you every 24 hours. These are the special features of this link shortener. Rest of them are similar to other like Telegram bot, API feature, 24/7 support. If you want, you can join this link shortener and work as a publisher. You can be a movie link publisher, YouTube or Instagram publisher. It suits you. I post my referral in this link description. You can view the full world of earning beauty.
The future of biking at an affordable price rupees 1,14,1999. The all-new Eco DRYFT at ex-showroom price pan India. Book now. 100 crore kilometer. Powered by Pure. 100% certified. For more, check details at www.puriv.in.
Nordic Mate Bathroom Accessories Set உங்கள் சாலண்டீல்ஸ் இல் வெறும் ரூபாய் 4239 இல் மட்டுமே. லிங்க் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்ல இருக்கு.
Amazon Specials OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G with immersive cinematic experience with 6.72 FHD plus display starting only at INR 19,999. Terms and condition apply. Offer link is in the description.